Hi Zef, please check this video. I understand why this, how this is happens. So please check that for this user. Now I explain how it happens. Suppose I'm going to the pricing page, and this user uses the coaching plan. Choose the coaching plan. I check it database, the coaching plan. And one thing, when I check this user in the Stripe, I'm not found this user. So that means when the user sign ups, this information is not stored in the Stripe. Now I explain how it happens. Suppose the next step, your customer does not put any coupon code and any credit card informations, and click on submit. So what happens, as he does not put any information, card information, so the customer does not enter into Stripe. So when I am not finding this customer in the Stripe, but it enter into the database. So after he can log in, he is not able to access the session chat because he is not put the any informations regarding his card. So this is the bug. Uh, so what I did, now I fix the issues by a way. Suppose if now I fix the issues, how I fixed. Uh, if you are if suppose I check it and put the informations. Now if you click on submit button, you cannot enter into the completed page because I checked it. If you do not put credit card, month, or CVV, or year, any card informations, you cannot move to the next page. So now the data is not entered into the database. And secondly, it will only work if you put the 100% coupon code. So if you put the 100% coupon code, only then you can submit without credit card, month, year, and CVV informations. Actually, this bugs is also present in the therapist registration page also. So I fixed in both in the two cases. Thank you. Okay, so we can do one thing now. You can write the email to your customer that and explain that you are not this customer, that you are not putting any credit card informations and or any 100% coupon code. So you cannot get the informations. You cannot access the session chats. I am also waiting for your feedback regarding this point.